What do the Amish use to mow the grass? So behind me you have an Amish lawnmower like I grew up using. They're human powered. You just got to get out there and push it. Let's set this camera up and show. I think I missed a little. You have to keep the speed or it'll bog you down. This grass is thick. When I was a kid, I'd have to do it in jerks like I just did. Yeah, if you're going too slow or the grass is too tall, it'll stop you, and then you gotta take a couple steps back and give it a good push. But watch this.